Boom, 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 boom. What's going on? So listen, we back with another Harsh Times Teggy update. We got more parts than we can open right now, okay? So I got a bunch of parts over here to open. I was gonna open this box right here along with another box that's like it to kind of do a compare and contrast, but we got more pressing issues. I have this box that came in right here. So let's just go into this. Let me get this thing over here. As you see, it's pretty long. It's a pretty long box. So I'm gonna put it, just kind of slide it in here. So this box came in from, I'm just gonna say Dev Sports, because there is a situation, not necessarily because of Dev Sports, but because of the shipping process and or the carrier that they use. So I'm gonna say this right now, it's not anything negative on Dev Sports. Dev Sports is actually doing a pretty phenomenal job working with me right now, which is why I'm doing this open box early. These parts just came in yesterday, and Dev Sports actually pointed out that if that box is bent that way, there may be some damage, and just let us know so we can take care of it for you. With that being said, also be aware that your postal service, which we already know all of the jokes and coined phrases that we can talk about when it comes to the postal service and their delivery ability. Be aware that what they are doing is they are notating in the system as if they came and delivered something to you, but since you weren't there, it was undeliverable. And they make it seem as if they took it back and that you have to call to get a reschedule. Well, the problem is you'll call for a reschedule. They'll once again tag you saying that they tried to deliver and left a notice. There is no notice that they're leaving. They did not try to reschedule. They never even attempted to deliver it the first time. And the reason is they're saying that these packages are too big to fit into the actual delivery truck. So with that being said, they're not even trying to deliver them. So Dev Sports was not aware of this, and not being aware of it, they didn't know that there was a problem. And so now that I've communicated with them and let them know, like, this is what's happening to the packages, this is what's going on. Now what they're, I apologize, like I'm playing with this right now and I really shouldn't be. I should just be doing the video, but I'm gonna leave it alone. So what they're doing now is trying to find out a different way, like using FedEx, but the costs were kept down going that way, but going forward, they may elect to do something else. So let's go ahead and open these so you can see what they are. Given that I already said the company, you probably know what they are. So I will say that there is no relationship with Dev Sports any further than customer, business trying to take care of a customer. So they haven't paid for anything. They haven't supplied these parts. They've done nothing or giving me anything to have a biased decision on trying to oversell something to you more than me. You know what I do, give you my honest opinion, and if a company's bad, I put them on the stake. So hopefully Dev Sports is not bad, but I can tell you right now, customer service is going in the right direction, and they have already done things to make me feel that way, that I likely will shop with them again. So still waiting on the completion of this process, and we'll see what happens. And let's just get these parts open, because the one thing that we're trying to see is, are these parts damaged? That's what we want to know right now. Are these parts damaged? If they are damaged, then we'll have to go through a whole process of, you know, reshipment, which they let me know they're going to take care of everything on that. So let me get this thing cut open. Ooh, I am a little excited about these when they came in. It just, the post office kind of messed up my excitement. So well bubble wrapped right here. All right, so we are bubble wrapped right there. There is, ta-da, boom, 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 boom. So hardware right here, right on the front of the package, so that's good. Definitely this hardware probably may not work for my application, so I'm likely gonna have to find out the thread pitch and size on this hardware, and you know I'm gonna hit my fam up and say, yo, I need some lavish hardware. I need some swaggish hardware. Also, here is the other hardware for what's in this pack. So let's go ahead and get this cracked open so you can see the goodies that I have. It's You know, it's not even Christmas yet, but we got Christmas presents. So, all right, hardware right here, we could just leave that attached. Let's go ahead and get this one off because this together is a separate unit. Now, the main thing we're concerned about being damaged is what's in here. So we're definitely gonna get these unwrapped and check them out. But while we're at it, let's just go ahead and start with the little bangers. You know what I'm saying? Let's get the little bangers done and see what they look like. And then I got to get off and hit my interior guy. Got some new shots of the car today with some paint all jammed up. You know what I'm saying? So it's getting close, y'all. It's getting close to where you're going to be able to see the full color of everything. So nicely wrapped up. I do like how they put this. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. Stickers. You know how we like stickers. Stickers. I'm about to go ahead right now. I'm going to claim it that everything's going to be positive. And I'm about to put Dev Sports right here. Bow. Dev Sports is in the house. Then the other one goes to my little one. I share my stickers with her. So I'll go ahead and put those stickers right there. But as we see right here, nicely coated to keep the surface pretty much intact. And that's what, is there another? No. So, oh yeah, there is another protective film over this, I think. So we'll leave that right there. We'll go into it when it comes time. And yeah, so we'll leave that right here. So peeling this off, it seems like there's another protective film on here that you then will peel off again to expose the actual surface of the winglet. So I'm just gonna leave those on there because I don't need to do that right now. And what I'll do is go ahead and wrap these two back up. So we do have two right here for left and right of the car. I'll go ahead and wrap these back up so that we can go ahead and store them properly until it is time to actually use them. And I'm not sure which way these went. I think they went this way. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they went this way. So, you know what? Just put them right there. All right, let's get to this, because this is what we're concerned about being damaged. So, all right, hardware, keep that right here. We got about a few good tape ribbons going on here. Dev Sports getting in the habit of wrapping gifts already. Some of this stuff's already coming off. Want to be careful when you're cutting this so you don't actually hit the product and then scar it up, and then, you know, you're pissed off, and then you're going to be pissed off at yourself. So take your time. Don't put more blade out than you need. You know what I'm saying? It's not like being in the bedroom. Bow. Ooh, yes. Dun, 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 dun. So there we go, right there. Dev Sports. Oh, good thing that this is actually, this badge is actually a metal plate, which is cool because it actually has a locking nut on the back and hardware. On some of the other ones, I had to drill the rivets out, so you already know what's going to happen with that. No shade to Dev Sports as of right now, but that's coming off, and you know what's popping. So I'm going to take this plate off, take it to my people up the street. They're going to regenerate me a placard that's going to have the car's name on it, and the car's name will be here, and then I'll replace it. But it is a good thing that I don't have to rivet these. I had to rivet the one on the diffuser. So this one will come off. I'll probably use it somewhere else, just put it somewhere else, maybe put it on the toolbox. But that is a pretty cool thing. So I am liking that. And once again, you have the protective film covering this. You got all the writing and stuff on it. So I'm pretty sure if I peel this back just a tad, should be pretty much all black right in there, which I mean, I could do this later, but I just want to see it for myself. Yeah, so there it goes. So just taking it right here and peeling this back, and yeah, all black in there, nicely finished. Oh yeah, that is nice. It's actually actually kind of sandwiched with aluminum plating. Everything in here is light, but the outer surface is aluminum plating, so that actually works too. So once again, doesn't look like that one's damaged. And the other one that is in here also doesn't look like it's damaged. So nothing's cracked, because I would imagine that it would be cracked, so it's not cracked. So other than that, it's good. So Dev Sports, I'm gonna hit them back, let them know that this is good. We don't have any problems with the product, so everything on the car will be done. Painting is happening, 3-piece wheels are done, Everything straight. So I'm gonna get with you all later. Make sure you subscribe, like, do all that good stuff. I'm gonna make sure I got the content coming to you, and I did the shipments today. So your product shipped out and everything else shipped out. So you should be good. All right, peace. Thanks for tuning in and watching another video here at Wolfpack Performance. Check out some of my other content on Formula One issues, our topics, and our DIY products on how to customize your vehicle. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.